Kidney 6 is located on the inside of your ankle. To locate kidney 6 on the inside of your left leg, find the tip of your ankle bone right about here. Then come down till you're off the bone right about here. Push in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is kidney 6. Activate kidney 6 by rubbing this area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate and activate kidney 6 on your right leg.